This is the cheapest car products that I could find. So let's wash my girlfriend's car and see if it gets cleaned. First up, wheel cleaner, and this needs to be applied for all 4 wheels, and then we let it sit for a few minutes for the product to react with the dirt. So let's just keep spraying this on. It was actually a pretty bad spray on this one, but yeah, I guess that's just part of the cheap price that we paid. And as I said earlier, this spray was absolutely horrific. It was not easy to apply. It doesn't spread all over the wheel, so you have to like be very precise to hit where the wheel actually is dirty. Not very good. So now I have applied the wheel cleaner. Now we just let it sit for a few minutes and then we will wash it off with the pressure washer. Here you can see that the wheel is turning purple, which is a good thing. It means that the product is working on all of the dust and dirt on the wheel. So as we can see, after the pressure washer, it looks okay. We still have quite a lot of dirt, but we will have to go over with a sponge and shampoo that I also bought, which is also super cheap. So yeah, let's move on to step number 2. But yeah, of course we'll have to clean off or pressure wash all wheels first. So we have now pressure washed all of the 4 wheels, and now we're going over to shampooing with a sponge. So just a regular bucket, warm water and this shampoo. Let's see if it works. And now that the wheels are clean, we will try this pre-wash, but we will also of course use a degreaser first. Just apply it all over the car. It will lift the dirt from the paint, and then we can rinse it off with a pressure washer. So let's go. So as we can see here, the degreaser is starting to do its work. So we'll just let it sit for another minute and then we will pressure wash the whole car. So just after the degreaser it looks like this, so I'm not super impressed with the degreaser. The wheel cleaner was absolutely okay, but yeah, the degreaser not so good. So we'll have to go over here, of course, with the microfiber towel and some shampoo, but yeah, we will also have to try the pre-wash first, so let's see if that can do wonders to this. Now let's try this pre-wash. Of course you should use it pre-wash, but yeah, let's just try and see if it does a difference. I have now showered the car in pre-wash, so just let it sit for a minute and I will wash it off. So as you can see here, we have a lot of insects, so we will have to use our insect remover, also very cheap. So let's see if that works. So now I have applied the insect remover on the front of the car and also on the wing mirror, so let's give it a minute and then rinse it off. So that insect remover, I'm actually kind of surprised. It worked really good for what it is. So I got rid of a lot of flies, bees, etc. on the registration plate and on the Volvo emblem and also on the front here. Now we just have some blood left, but that we will take with the shampoo. So yeah, last step now, shampooing the car and then we'll rinse it off. So the car is washed, so let's have a look at the results. So we'll go close in and have a look at how the car looks after using very cheap car cleaning products. So the car is clean. You guys saw the result. Would you say that you are surprised, or would you say it's as it should be? Please comment down below what you think about the result and what video we should do next. Maybe we should try the most expensive products on the same car and see if there is any difference. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.